Hi Bharaji, this is Mehak Chahal and I just want to say thank you so much Bharaji for calling me to America again and again and for all the events that you call me for. I have such a good time. You're an awesome person. Very professional. I feel like a queen. I'm treated like a queen whenever I'm in States because you take such good care of me. I don't have to worry about, anything, my travel, my stay, how the dance is going to perform. You always get so nervous, but you take care of everything. And I'm really happy that I got to know you and that we work together. I'm looking forward for many more events and many more shows in America. I have a really good time coming to New York and San Francisco and Los Angeles, all the places that you keep calling me to. Thank you so much. You're the number one in USA, the best promoter, and you have always the best shows. I feel really lucky that you call me for your shows, and I hope to see you really soon. Bye.
Hello everyone, and this is Prachi Tehlan this side, and this is to inform you that all my events in America will be managed and handled by my dear friend Mr. Bharat Garodia. And to tell something about him, he is a family to me and he's a wonderful person. He makes you laugh and he is the way he takes care of you is just like family. And I enjoy doing the Chicago event with him, the India Day Parade, and I look forward to do a lot of events in US with him again. So Bharat Garodia ji, I hope to work with you soon again, and see you US very soon. Love you all.
Hi Bharatji, just want to thank you and for you being such a wonderful person and a wonderful friend to me, and thank you so much for every time taking such good care of me. Every time you've invited me to US, you have really treated me like a princess and you've pampered me. You know exactly how to keep your artist, and you're a very nice human being. I really like you. It's always a pleasure to work with you because you exactly know how to keep your artist, and you're the finest promoter I have worked with. Working with you has always been a pleasure. Thank you so much for being such a fabulous human being. God bless you.
Hi Bharatji, this is Omi Vaidya. I just wanted to tell you that it has been great getting to know you over the years, and I'm so glad that our relationship has grown and we're doing events together. It has been a chamatkari experience. I look forward to our future events, and thank you so much. Talk to you soon.
Hi, Bharat Bhai Garodia. Thank you so much for everything, Bharat Bhai. I just wanted to take this opportunity to, make this one for you, to thank you and to let everybody else know that here's a man that I've known for a few years now, and his name is Bharat Garodia. And Bharat Bhai is very endearing, very enterprising, and whatever you do it with your heart. And I love the jokes that you crack. Some of them are silly, some of them are very funny, but all in all, you are a beautiful package as a human being. So thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the US very soon once the lockdown's over. I'm dying to get back to New York, New Jersey, and spend some time with you. And Bharat Bhai, thank you so much once again for everything. Lots of love.
Hi Bharatji, this is Harshika Punacha. You're a wonderful human being. As everybody knows, Bharat Garodia is one of the finest and most amazing promoter in the USA. I always feel very happy and very comfortable working with you because you are so professional and you take such good care of all of us. So I worked with you and I'm so happy to be associated with you. May God bless you.
This is Kim Sharma. Tell you guys that I love all of you living in the USA, and I'm going to come there really soon. I'm back in action for all my performances, my appearances, and as you know, Bollywood in USA, there is only one person, Mr. Bharat Garodia. So please contact him to get in touch with me. Once again, I love you all.
Hi Bharatji, it was a great honor to meet you. I loved meeting you and I do have beautiful memories about our meeting, especially your shero shairi, your sweet jokes. You are just amazing. And yes, definitely you are the best promoter in USA and I would love to work with you. Looking forward to meet you soon. This is Nisha Kothari. Love you.
beautiful people. This is Vidya Malavde and I'm coming to see you in your city super soon. Thank you Bharat Bhai for taking me to meet all these beautiful, lovely souls. I can't wait to come out there and see you guys, spend some time with you, and we shall rock it. Thank you Bharat Bhai. See you very, very soon. Bye.
Hi Bharat Bhai, firstly let me thank you from the bottom of my heart कि आपके साथ मैंने इतना अच्छा इवेंट किया. That we did such an amazing event. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके साथ काम करके. And I just like to say कि भरत भाई, not only are you a thorough professional, जो कि आप हैं, but आपका nature मतलब so jolly and so charming कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके साथ. My association with you मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I pray कि हमारा association बहुत आगे तक जाए, हम लोग साथ में और बहुत काम करें. In fact, I'd like to take this opportunity to just say कि भरत भाई, if you can please handle all my shows happening not just in America but anywhere in the world, you know, I'll be very, very happy. It'll be my honor and my pleasure, Bharat Bhai, if you can please do so. So I look forward to a very long and a very prosperous and fruitful association with you, Bharat Bhai. And hopefully, God willing, हम लोग बहुत जल्दी मिलेंगे. God willing. Bye.
Know you, my dear. And you're doing such a wonderful job promoting Bollywood, Indian culture over there. And on top of that, you're a great professional and great human being. Everybody loves you. And I'm really hoping to see you in America and work with you very soon. So all the best, my dear. God bless you. God bless America. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi friends, Jinal Pandya, and I'm here to make you meet a wonderful person. He is the Bollywood's most wanted promoter in USA. कुछ भी किसी की भी ज़रूरत हो, he's always there, and a gem of a person and very true to his heart, and he takes care of us as like nobody else will do. So let me introduce you, Mr. India, Bharat Bhai. As I can tell you, he is one person that he is very sorted after. He's a gem of a person, very nice, and anything that we need, you know, he arranges before we say. So yes, Bharat Bhai, thank you so much for calling me here, and we hope that हमारा रिलेशन और आगे चलता जाए और भरत भाई ऐसे ही हमको बुलाते जाएं और हम एंजॉय करते जाएं.
My pleasure.
Hi guys. Well, a very important announcement I want to make. I want to thank Mr. Bharat Goradia ji for having me here in London for the Harrow Asian Mela. And yes, I want to say that he is a gem of a person, a very good human being, one of the best that I have come across so far, and an absolute gentleman. He has made my journey here so comfortable, and especially, you know, उनको पता है कि अपने एक्टर्स को एंड सबको इतना प्यार से रखना एंड टू मेक एवरीबडी सो हैप्पी. जहाँ भी वो जाते हैं वो माहौल बहुत अच्छा कर देते हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट मेक्स मी वेरी हैप्पी टू अटेंड दिस इवेंट दैट आई डिड टुडे, एंड बहुत अच्छा शो था हमारा. अभी गरबा बाकी है, सो वी गोना गो इनसाइड एंड डू सम डांस मूव्स. उसके पहले हम गोना इंट्रोड्यूस